Hey folks, Isaac the Nothing Miller here again, and today I'm installing the YakAttack GearTrac onto my Diablo Chupacabra, and these things are amazing. YakAttack has done it again. They've got so much great rigging stuff for kayaks these days. I'm actually getting my buddies, my guide friends, talked into some, especially the GearTracs. Some of this stuff definitely universal, way too cool. You know, all YakAttack stuff made entirely in the USA. Everything comes with a sticker. Almost everything comes with a sticker. The only thing that doesn't are these ram balls, and these are made specifically for the GearTrac, and it's your ram ball, but it's got this little bolt on there, slides into the GearTrac, also slides into the Mighty mounts. Really slick. The GearTrac comes with almost everything you need. You've got, this is a two-part or two-piece GearTrac. I'm going left side and right side. These are both the 16-inch varieties, and there are plenty of screws here to get these installed. Get those all set aside so they don't get lost. There are a lot of them. See, that's what I was afraid of losing. A couple of them here and there. Sweet. Of course, the deck of the Diablo boats are a standing deck. Good foam padding. It's going to keep those screws from getting too far away. And the GearTracs also come with the drill bit, and this is the perfect size because these screws, tapered screws, these are going to be self-sealing. You're not going to have to lay a bunch of silicone down. Makes life a lot easier, especially if you saw me working with my Mighty mounts. My silicone always seems to get hard before I use it again, so adds up when you're buying silicone all the time, every time you're adding a new hole to your kayak. Anyway, here's one of the GearTracs. Real sweet. Like I said, the ram ball. Open it up a little bit further than I need to. Boom. Bolts down just like that. Twist, slide it to the front. Or in my case, I can have it all the way up front, here by my feet, get it up out of the way for my paddle, slide it back when I'm sitting still and fishing. Been excited for this accessory since I first saw it. I was just last summer at Outdoor Retailer. Definitely something that is just super cool. Just got to work out some placement on this. Like I said, I'm playing this completely by eye. This is what I had planned to do, was a 16-inch, and run it right through here. So I'm just kind of eyeballing things, making sure this is where I'm going to want it, and definitely is looking good to me. Not sure. This is awesome. Great milled aluminum, anodized. That's going to keep it free of oxidization. Aluminum doesn't rust, but it does oxidize. Same thing, really. And I'm probably going to run it right in line here with the handle. And then the one thing you'll notice is the GearTracs have a whole lot of holes running all the way down the side. That's why there's a whole lot of screws included on the kit. These holes are the exact same spacing as the holes for the Mighty mount, so you can get really creative going, you know, maybe put a Mighty mount here, and then maybe the panfish, and then on the panfish you can run another Mighty mount, and then this, and have so much crazy options for these kayaks. So I'm going to line this one up. Just trying, like I said, working on a spot. I think this is about as good as it's going to get right here. Like I said, keep a good eye on spacing, because that's going to give me a good idea of where I'm going to have to get started when I move to the other side of the kayak. In this case, I'm just lining up screw holes that already exist for the pad eyes here. I'm just, lining those up with the holes on here, and I think that's going to work out just fine for me. So with this, real simple. Like I said, it comes with the drill bit. So you just let the screws be your guide. I'm going to put one in. There we go. Bring the torque down because you don't want to run these through too tight. Just tight enough. There. I'll go back through actually and re-torque them all. Perfect. So take that down. Now that I got that one in, go back to the drill bit. Do that again. Boom. And now you're going to do this all the way up and down the length of the GearTrac. And you can grab any of your accessories. So that's going to be for my rod holder. I got a smaller mount right here. Again, all set up from YakAttack. It's kind of like they've thought of everything. If you have a wilderness system with the slide track system, Luther over at YakAttack does offer these ram balls with a slightly wider base, and that way you can use these on your slide tracks. Boom, I got this little one. That's going to be perfect for either my sonar, or I also keep a waterproof box from Ram. Their Aqua box. I keep my cell phone in there, and a good spot for that would be right here. Camera mounts, any number of things. Like I said, these just slide on, slide off. Boom, and that's not going anywhere, and it's just barely tight at all. So it doesn't take much, and this is good low profile. It's not going to catch my line when I'm fly fishing. Definitely not like any other mount would. Say if I'm fly fishing, I'm going to pop this ball off, it's going to be out of the way. Standard ram mount, that ball is going to be there forever, so it's always going to be in your way. Definitely a good way to go. And I'll get you close up here, see more of how this. Now I've got opposite ends tacked down. This isn't going anywhere. Now that I got those first two done, I can drill all my holes at once and save time from changing all the time. Boom. That's how you do it. Clean that out a little bit. Just torque. You don't want to get too crazy. Like I said, these are going to be self-tapping, or self-tapping, self-sealing. So these are waterproof, and believe me, it's been proven several times. Bam, that's it, that quick. You can do this too. I guess I just showed you how simple this was. I mean, I've got a beer sitting here, but installing one of these, not even required, because, well, it doesn't take any time. Just to show you, I'll do the other side. I'm not going to be talking this time, so it's going to go real quick. Just line it up, bam, zap, go. See how this goes. Look at me, having trouble with the drill all of a sudden. Like a rookie. Honest, I went to a wood shop a long time ago. hard thing. Anybody can do this. Boom. Done. There we go. That's the brand new YakAttack. Boom. On a Diablo. Not the first time, but this one's mine. See you guys.